Trust is a fundamental aspect of human relationships, allowing us to feel safe, connected, and supported. But what makes us trust someone? Understanding the dynamics of trust can help us build stronger, more meaningful connections with others. Let's see the context in few more points. First, consistency of actions. We tend to trust people who consistently act in ways that align with their words. When someone follows through on their promises and behave predictably, it reassures us that they are reliable. Second, honesty and transparency. Trust is built when someone is open and honest with us. When people are transparent about their thoughts, feelings, and intentions, it reduces uncertainty and makes us feel more secure in the relationship. Third, empathy and understanding. We, try, we trust those who show empathy and understanding. When someone genuinely listens to us and seeks to understand our experiences, it creates a sense of connection and emotional safety. Fourth, shared values and beliefs. Trust often develops more quickly with people who share our values, beliefs, or life goals. A common foundation makes it easier to predict how someone will behave in various situations, leading to greater trust. Fifth, positive reputation. A person's reputation, whether built through their actions or the opinions of others, plays a significant role in our willingness to trust them. If others speak highly of someone and they have a history of trustworthiness, we are more likely to trust them as well. Sixth, mutual respect. Trust grows in relationships where there is mutual respect. When someone respects our boundaries, opinions, and individuality, it fosters an environment where trust can flourish. Seventh, vulnerability and openness. Trust is often deepened when someone is willing to be vulnerable with us, when they share their fears, struggles, or personal stories. It shows that they trust us, which in turn encourages us to trust them. 8. Reliability in difficult times. Trust is particularly solidified when someone is there for us during difficult times. Their support during challenging moments proves their loyalty and dependability, which strengthens our trust in them. Now think of a Sarah who met a new colleague, John, at work. Over time, she began to trust John because he consistently showed up on time, delivered on his promises, and was open about his work challenges. John also took the time to listen to Sarah's concerns and offered help when she needed it. They both shared a commitment to high quality work and had similar values regarding professionalism. As Sarah observed John's reliability and experienced his sympathy, her trust in him grew naturally. Then, how to build trust? First, be consistent. Ensure that your actions align with your words. Consistency is key to building trust over time. Second, communicate openly. Be honest and transparent in your interactions. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings and builds trust. Third, show empathy. Practice active listening and show genuine care for others' experiences and feelings. Respect boundaries. Acknowledge and respect the boundaries of others. This shows that you value their needs and comfort. Be there in tough time. Fifth, offer support during challenging situations. Your reliability during difficult times can significantly strengthen trust. Analogy. Trust is like building a bridge. Each positive interaction adds a plank to the bridge, making it stronger and more reliable. However, if the bridge isn't maintained, if, action, if actions don't match words, or if there is a lack of honesty, it can weaken or even collapse. It's just as bridge requires consistent effort to stay strong, trust requires ongoing attention and care. Trust is the foundation of strong relationships, built through consistency, honesty, empathy, and mutual respect. By understanding what fosters trust, we can cultivate deeper connections with those around us. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights on building trust and meaningful relationships. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you.